Ever heard of a coin that just has one side? No, right? Hello and welcome to Hot Takes, where we talk about hot, steamy, and controversial topics. At the same time, we celebrate the art of healthy and passionate discussion. मैं हूँ आपकी पसंदीदा आरजे गौरी on your soon to be favorite show, The Hot Take Corner on Voices of Sapphire. I am thrilled to introduce you all to our very amazing and brilliant guest for the day. Welcome Shashrika and Sakina from Department of Strategic Communication and Journalism. Without any further ado, let's dive right into our topic and see them taking hot takes. One of the major crises that the society is struggling to find its answer to is whether or not to accept the new age pairing of food items. While, on one hand, people with all their dedication are sticking to the traditional food twins, meanwhile, some are embarking on the journey of breaking all the boundaries and discovering new pairs. One such pairing is fried chicken with chocolate dip. I now open the forum for our guest for the day to discuss, debate, and argue. What do you have to say on this marrying of fried chicken with chocolate dip? Do you see prospects of this pairing being accepted by the people?
Okay, the association of chicken with chocolate is enough to make a grown woman cry, alright? Justice for chicken is all I ask for right now. It should be illegal in my opinion, but we cannot go and pair anything with anything. I agree that chocolate dip does go with everything, like surprisingly with so many things, but not with chicken.
See, in today's day and age, where we are becoming open to change and accepting change so readily, why can't we accept vulnerability in things such as food combinations? लोगों ने तो पहले केचप को भी अपनाने से मना कर दिया, पर अब देख लो हर चीज़ में केचप है, from fries to chapati. Moreover, to like or not like depends upon the person's preference. But being open to the idea of trying and accepting new combinations is everyone's choice.
To be honest, fried chicken itself is such an amazing food item. You're basically ruining it with the flavor of chocolate dip. Fried chicken itself is already very spicy, very flavorful. It's so like it's basically a blast of flavors in your mouth. But when you add chocolate, it just creates this unnecessary sweetness. It adds to it, ruining the balance of the amazing flavor that chicken itself has.
देखो सकीना एक बात बताओ मेरे को do you not like caramel popcorn with salted popcorn like that's a god that's such a good combination what is your opinion on that
I like salted caramel in general, but salted popcorn and caramel popcorn, I mean, ठीक है, I can let it go, but this does not match the level of crazy that chicken and chocolate dip is. Okay.
एक मिनट देखो 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 savory savory I mean savory with sweet has always been a good combination. I am obsessed with caramel and cheese popcorn. Like हर बार मेरे को वो खाने का मन करता है. And that's not the only example. Let's take honey chicken. Like oh gorgeous. Oh मेरे मुंह में already पानी आ गया. There's so many combinations like this which taste heavenly, where they're sweet and savory. And when you add chocolate to fried chicken, it thoda subdues the spiciness of fried chicken, so it could taste good. Not that bad also.
But then, if you are subduing the taste, the spiciness, what is the point of fried chicken? It is supposed to put your mouth on fire and then you enjoy that. Like, you're not supposed to add chocolate. Ah, okay. See, I will give you a better explanation. It ruins the entire vibe of the chicken. For example, when you add melted chocolate on the chicken, the coating becomes very soggy and it's so unappetizing. Like, I can literally see that happening, and I just don't ever want that to be in my mouth. Please, no.
To contradict to your point, imagine crispy chicken ki crunch along with this velvety texture of the chocolate sauce. It just sounds and feels so good. Like हर बार सॉगी नहीं होता, तुम रुक क्यों रहे हो टू लेट इट बिकम सॉगी? जैसे ही बनता है चॉकलेट सॉस डाल के खा लो यार. इट्स लाइक as normal as any other combination out there.
I just had shivers go down my spine hearing that description. Absolutely not. Well, chicken, fried chicken ka oiliness and chocolate is just going to be annoyingly greasy in your mouth. It's going to leave that, you know, वो lip balm ऐसे separate हो जाता है ना with like the lip balm.
ठीक है. Let's not give them such traumatizing experiences imagining this. But
Okay.
whenever we talk about chocolate, Sakina, हर बार dairy milk तो नहीं होता यार. There's so many varieties of chocolate. It could be dark chocolate, it could be caramel chocolate, it could be any type of chocolate. So why are we being such haters to it?
But dessert, like chocolate is supposed to be a dessert. It is not supposed to be dipped in chicken.
Have
See,
you never had chocolate rice?
What did you just say? Chocolate rice
Or
Sash-
chocolate dosa?
I cannot do this anymore, guys. I don't know what to say. Come on. Okay.
Come on, chocolate chip dosa growing up was
See,
my favorite.
As a human
Comes
being
from
who
a
has
South Indian.
as a human being who has such a big love for chocolate, you cannot tell me that you eat chocolate with rice, dosa. South Indian people will come and kill you.
I am a
To-
South Indian. I am getting killed after this episode.
Let me call up more South Indian people and be like, देखो ये तुम्हारे culture की क्या कर रही है हालत. Look at her, guys. Please cancel her now, right now.
Honestly, इतना भी बुरा नहीं है यार सकीना.
See, chicken with traditional dishes like coleslaw, mashed potatoes, they are amazing. I love those combinations because they go so well. Chicken and chocolate does not go well. It is a fact, no matter how much we debate over this. I mean, I get the whole, it depends on people's perspective, stuff like that. But no, if I don't understand this perspective, I am sorry if I don't seem open enough for you, but absolutely not. This is not something I would do. Never. You know, for me, chicken with chocolate dip is almost like chocolate bar with ketchup. It ruins the taste of both.
Oh my god, I swear to god Sakina, this is not as bad as you imagine. Like, can you imagine like churros with chocolate? Like, you like that, right?
But churros is supposed to be with the chocolate
My
dip.
friend, churros is also fried like fried chicken. So, fried and fried does not.
It's not chicken. Chicken has a different texture, a different feel. Everything is different about chicken. Churros is just fried. I don't even know what churros are made of. They just taste nice. I know chicken is made up of chicken.
But
And-
imagine your fried chicken coated with sugar and cinnamon and then dipped in chocolate. It's legit same like churros, just the texture is different.
मेरा हो गया है. I don't think I can handle this anymore. I don't know how to explain the logic of the essence. These are, I swear, chocolate and chicken individually are one of my favorite things. Two of my favorite things ever. I cannot survive without either of them. But them together just makes me want to puke. Whatever people may have their opinions about it, I do not care. This is a fact that chicken and chocolate don't go together. So if you think that they do go together,
We
I-
can't go together.
yeah, no, sorry to any guy who was thinking of
this
that.
episode हमारी दोस्ती तोड़ दी इस episode ने यार.
Yes, sorry, Sashika.
Sorry, Sakina.
I'm gonna get better friends who do not believe in this combination now.
But it's not that bad.
It is that bad. I cannot emphasize on this further.
I think, guys, y'all should try and then decide for yourselves whether chicken and chocolate goes together or not.
We should bet on this. We should have people like comment under this post and then, just ask, what are their opinions on it. If I win, you get me peach iced tea. If you win, what do you want? chicken. Do you want chicken and chocolate dip? Huh?
No, I want chocolate rice.
All right. I will get. Okay. Let's do a poll. Okay. Let's do a poll with everyone, and you just have to vote for what you want, and according to that, let's see who wins this bet. I'm pretty sure I will. If I don't, then you people are maniacs. Okay. I don't believe. I will stop believing in this world. If Sashrika wins, I will stop believing in this world.
Also, guys, please don't come after me. I am as sane as anybody else. Just that my taste buds are not as sane as I am.
अब फ्राइड चिकन को जस्टिस चॉकलेट डिप के साथ मिलेगी या चॉकलेट डिप के बिना, ये नहीं पता चला, पर इतना जरूर पता चला कि देयर आर पीपल ऑन बोथ साइड्स. That's it for our first episode. See you next month with another steamy talk and hot subject matters. Till then, sayonara. वापस आना मत भूलना on the Voices of Sapphire.